In today's lesson, we will be talking about simultaneous equations. So by definition, simultaneous equations are used to find values of letters with two or more equations. And they are often solved at the same time, so that's why we call them simultaneous equations. Now, we have two different methods to solve simultaneous equations. The first method is by substitution, while the second method is by elimination. So let's start with the first method, which is by substitution. So I have 3x plus y equals 11 and 2x plus y equals 8. So the first step is to make either of the two variables, so either x or y, the subject of the equation. So I'm going to choose the first equation and I'm making y the subject. So I'm moving 3x to the right hand side of the equation. So y becomes equal to 11 minus 3x. Now the second step is to substitute y, which is 11 minus 3x, in the second equation. So I will get 2x plus y, which is plus 11 minus 3x equals 8. So I'm collecting like terms on the left hand side of the equation. So 2x minus 3x is minus x plus 11 equals 8. So I'm going to move negative x to the right hand side of the equation and 8 to the left hand side of the equation. So x becomes 11 minus 8, which is equal to 3. Now the final step is to substitute x equals 3 in any of the two equations. So I'm going to substitute x equals 3 in the first equation. So 3x becomes 3 times 3 plus y equals 11. So 9 plus y is equal to 11. So y becomes 11 minus 9, and the answer is 2. Now the second method is by elimination. So I have 3a plus 2b equals 17 and 4a minus b equals 30. So the first step is to multiply each equation by a suitable number so that the two equations have the same leading coefficient. So in the first equation I have positive 2b, and in the second equation I have negative b. So I want to multiply the second equation times 2 to get rid of the b. So I have 3a plus 2b equals 17, and in the second equation I have 4a times 2, which is 8a, minus b times 2 is 2b, equals 30 times 2, which is 60. And I have a plus sign. So 3a plus 8a is 11a. 2b plus minus 2b is 2b minus 2b. So 2b minus 2b becomes 0. So b is cancelled out. So 11a equals 60 plus 17, and it is equal to 77. So I will divide 11a by 11 and 77 by 11. So a is equal to 7. Now to find b, I have to substitute a equals 7 in any of the two equations. So I'm substituting a equals 7 in the first equation. So I have 3a, which is 3 times 7 plus 2b equals 17. So 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2b equals 17. So I'm going to move 21 to the right-hand side of the equation. So 2b becomes 17 minus 21, which is equal to negative 4. So 2b is equal to negative 4. So over 2 over 2. So b becomes equal to negative 2. So a is equal to 7 and b is equal to negative